When it comes to dropshipping, choosing the right tool to manage supplier approvals can make or break your business. In today's video, we'll compare two popular tools, Spocket and Oberlo, and dive deep into which one offers a better supplier approval process. Stick with me, because by the end, I'll share an alternative that could potentially change how you handle supplier approvals for good. First up, let's talk about Spocket. It's known for giving you access to a wide range of high-quality suppliers, especially from the US and EU. What sets Spocket apart is their automated approval process. Once you add a supplier to your store, Spocket reviews them and determines if they meet their quality standards. While this is convenient, it's not perfect. Suppliers can sometimes slip through the cracks, and you might find yourself dealing with products or vendors that don't quite match your brand's quality expectations. So, while Spocket's process can save time, it doesn't always guarantee the best supplier matches. Next thing, let's turn to Oberlo, which operates a bit differently. As part of Shopify, it integrates seamlessly with their platform, and it also allows you to find suppliers globally. Oberlo lets you directly import products from AliExpress and other sources. However, the supplier approval process here relies heavily on manual checks. It's up to you to vet each supplier based on their ratings, reviews, and feedback from other dropshippers. While this gives you more control, it also means a lot more work on your end. If you're new to dropshipping, it can be easy to miss red flags, which is why Oberlo can sometimes feel like a gamble when it comes to supplier quality. Now, the third thing to consider is the speed of the approval process. Spocket typically reviews suppliers faster than Oberlo, especially because many of the suppliers are already pre-vetted. This could be a big plus if you need to quickly launch a store without worrying too much about supplier research. On the flip side, Oberlo's manual process might take a bit longer, but gives you the flexibility to make decisions at your own pace, which could be a win if you want to carefully curate each product and supplier. The fourth thing worth noting is the supplier transparency. Spocket suppliers provide more detailed information up front, like shipping times and product details, which can make it easier for you to assess them without any surprises. On the other hand, Oberlo's suppliers, especially those from AliExpress, can be a bit more opaque in terms of delivery times, product conditions, and other key details. This leaves you with more guesswork when choosing a supplier, which can add risk to your business. And while both Spocket and Oberlo are great tools, neither one is perfect. If you're aiming for a smooth, fast, and reliable supplier approval process, there's a tool I've personally tested that combines the best of both worlds. After trying Spocket and Oberlo for myself, I found a better alternative that makes the supplier approval process easier, faster, and more reliable, without the hassle. If you're interested in learning more, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to my viewers. So, while Spocket and Oberlo are both solid platforms, if you want to take your supplier approvals to the next level, don't miss out on this opportunity. Check the first link in the description for the best free trial today.